Dear staff, I hope all of you are using Zoom app, and scheduling meeting is one of the option in Zoom app. Every time we need to schedule a meeting, there is an option called recurring meeting. Now, recurring meeting means you create a link, and whenever you want to start a meeting, just copy invitation and share in the group. Time will start whenever you start the meeting. Now, how to schedule a recurring meeting? Step 1. Open the Zoom app and click on schedule. Yeah, schedule. As you click on schedule, the next window will open. You see the various boxes in the new window. Topic, you may write the subject that you're teaching. Here I have written JK Sani Zoom meeting. You can write your subject. As you see, the next column is start and duration, and thereafter it is recurring meeting. In case you don't want a recurring meeting and you want to start a meeting on a particular day and time, then you go ahead with filling these columns, start and duration. And rest of the columns, rest of the boxes are pre-filled. You want to make changes in it, you can do that, but there is no need. And if you click on recurring meeting, it will appear like this. You see, after you click on recurring meeting, the time and the duration will disappear. Also, there is a advanced option at the bottom. These are some of the options you have when you want to schedule a meeting, like enable waiting room, enable join before the host, mute participant on entry, automatically record. So normally we leave the last two, we do not touch on it. And then click on schedule. As you click on schedule, a browser will open, that is Google Calendar, where you want to fill in some date, etc. You may ignore this step and just close the browser. Now your meeting is ready. And how to now check where this meeting schedule? Look for this icon, meeting. Click on this option and proceed further. Once the meeting is scheduled, it will look like this. The title is JK Zoom meeting or whatever title you have given, and it is indicating it's a recurring meeting. Meeting ID is also mentioned, and you just copy invitation. Copy invitation, include details about meeting ID, password, etc. So copy the link of invitation from here and share in WhatsApp group. Recurring meeting is useful when you have to conduct meetings every day, or you don't want to fix a particular time. Copy the invitation whenever you want to start the meeting. Before that, you can share the link with the students, and whenever you start the meeting, students can join at your decided time. Copy the link. As you copy and paste, the link will appear in the chat window like this. but time is not mentioned because it is a recurring meeting. How do you inform about the timings? Either you manually change the timings by deleting this part which is shown in the red and write the time, or you can separately write the time in the next message. So I'll just show you how you can change that. So you can change like this, or you may write another message that students to join at whatever time you want them to join. So recurring meeting means you decide the time. If you schedule a meeting on a particular date and time, the meeting will begin at that time only. It cannot be started earlier or will not start after the time finishes. Whereas recurring meeting is that which can be started anytime that you want and inform students to join at the time which you want. That's all about scheduling a recurring meeting. Thank you and enjoy.